Hello, welcome back to GlamQueenofDIY. My name is Tammy, and today's video is my Taking Money to the Bank series. Now, in this Taking Money to the Bank series, we're going to be showing you a laundry detergent hack, or like I would like to say, the proper way to use laundry detergent. Now you guys, if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you do stay tuned. Please don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. Alright, let's get this video started. Thank you guys for also tuning in. This is a long awaited video for this laundry detergent hack. And you guys, I'm going to show you today how you can save easily 50 to 75% of what you're paying currently right now for laundry. Now, if you know the proper way to do it, I'm going to show you. You already taking money to the bank. But if not, I'm going to show you the proper way, or this hack, so to say, to use laundry detergent. And you guys, I have my Tide here, and this is the Tide Simply Clean and Fresh. And you guys, I'm gonna highlight it for you to see that this does 89 loads. Now, do know that every time you purchase laundry detergent, you always see it has a load capacity on it. And you may be wondering, well, I know I can't do 89 loads. With this, you guys, we have been wasteful with detergent. I do know for sure I have. I always like to see bubbles. But the secret ingredient, you guys, is the top. So, as you know, we can do 89 loads with this. And I'm going to tell you too, you guys, I've been washing clothes now the correct way, probably for the last year. And one of these jugs like this, you guys, lasts me right about 7 months. $16, 7 months. I'm telling you guys, it's a savings once you know how to do. I'm not going to dilute it, because I do know when I was showing some family members, they said, what are you adding water to your detergent? We're not diluting anything. But if you want to get almost a 90% savings off of your laundry detergent, you can take your detergent and take out about 1/4 of it and add water to the rest and dilute it down, and that will give you more savings, and you can in return almost get close to a year off actual detergent. But here's the key, you guys. All detergent comes with cups. And the reason being is the load capacity is measured off the cup, because there's a proper way to use it. And again, I'm going to make sure that's highlighted good. And you guys too, I have washer and dryer at home. Everyone does not have that. I am going to show you, especially with Tide, that if you use your laundromat, because the measurements are different for a home and laundromat, you guys, whether you knew it or not. The measurements for commercialized machines are different. But with my Tide cup here, you guys, don't know if you can see it, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All of these are measurement lines. Now, if you go to the laundromat, you guys, you actually will use 2, 4, and 5. You heard me? 2, 4, and 5. And that is for your commercial wash. 2 is for medium, 4 is for large, 5 is for mega loads at the laundromat. But if you wash at home like me, you guys, you're actually using 1 and 3. Now, 1 is for a regular load of clothes, just your normal sort. If you have a heavy duty, or even if you have a larger washer, you can use the 3. But if you have standard wash and your clothes are heavily soiled, you still use 3. Now if you get a lot of dirt, grass stains and stuff like that in your clothes, you will occasionally use number 5, but that's very occasional. But for home use, you use 1 and 3. Now as you can see, and I'm already doing laundry, you guys, you see 1 fills up to, and I don't have a pointer, about right here. So this is all the detergent that goes in for 1, and I'm going to fill it up. And for 3, this is all of the detergent that goes in. So I'm going to show you. And you guys just try it for a while. And if it's not right, or if your clothes is not clean, because you guys, when I first converted over, now I'll be honest with you, normally when I wash up front, I'm going to use about 1.5 cups, because I was taught doing laundry, I needed to see the suds for me to think that my clothes was clean. Now if you've been washing the old way, I would tell you this: take clothes that you've washed and wore, put them in your washing machine and turn on the wash, and still won't you see suds. And you know why? Because you have overused the product. But for home use, on level 1, and this is just for your standard load, this is how much powder goes in a regular standard load for home use, you guys. Now look, this much, and we've been filling these cups full 1, 2, and 3 times. Now if I have a more heavier soiled clothes, this is just for home use, I use this much. You see the difference in that, you guys, and what we've been using? So we've been using an extremely lot of product. Now remember, I told you 2, I've already done 2 for a commercialized washer, but just say that you got a super mega load washer at the laundromat, but your clothes are actually super sore. I'm going to show you what the level 5 is, so you can still see the difference in the detergent that we're using on a weekly basis, or however you wash. So I'm going to get you to 5. Now, let's set that way. Now you guys, at the maximum capacity on a mega washer or a super sort load of clothes, this is the most laundry detergent should be going in a load at the max. So just even looking at that, you can tell we are tremendously using a lot of detergent. So what I want you to do, take me up on this hack, because I'm bringing you this series, Taking Money to the Bank. I'm going to be showing you everyday products that we do use, that we use in abundance. And I would tell you, even like on my end, it was the overuse because we were never taught the proper way to do laundry detergent. Like I said, when I learned to do laundry, my mom taught us. Growing up, we used to have to go to the laundromat because it was 8 people in my household, so it was a lot of laundry getting done. But when you wash clothes, is once you pour your powders in, you add another cup till you see a lot of bubbles, and if it still wasn't a certain amount, you add. So, but you guys, I went from, in the last year, you guys, I've actually bought 2 jugs of washing powders, and this is actually my second, you guys, and I haven't used but 1 cap out of my second load, you guys, just 1 in the last year, because I started with another brand of powders that I was using. I preferably, I like Gain and I like Whisk when I can find it. But I will tell you too, once we use this, we will be not buying any more Gain. I hope you guys are staying informed. Your Gain, your Arm & Hammer, and your Tide, or they have certain chemicals in it that is actually not good for the body. So we're going to actually use this or either give it away to someone else if I don't pour it out. But make sure you're using proper products, and two, also make sure you're using proper dosage amounts. And again, this is the maximum capacity of powders that you're ever going to load, and this is for the mega washer at your laundromat. So drop me a comment too. Always talk to me down in the comment, you guys, if you are liking the content that we're bringing, and if you would love to see more of taking money to the bank in my series to help you save money on just everyday stuff that you use on a constant basis, drop me a comment, say saving more money, and I know you want to see more. And two, we will be bringing those taking money to the bank series to you on Saturdays, you guys. You're going to be getting a lineup of the content. We do have content we're still rolling out if we don't dump it on you guys, because we have a lot of content with me being down, but we have a lot of content. So we're just going to play that by ear, because we're going to roll out some new and fabulous things going on here on the channel. So make sure you do keep up with that. Please don't forget, if you're watching and you're not part of the Glam Queen of DIY family, make sure you do hit that subscribe button, turn that bell on twice, and you'll know when we are uploading. And also check out our other sister channels as well, and that is the Glam Queen of Decor, the home of all things home decor related, Glam Queen Vlogs. And I'm thinking about pulling Glam Queen unboxing so that we can do the unboxings per the channel that it should be designed for. But for sure, you will be getting content from Glam Queen Vlogs, Glam Queen of Decor, and Glam Queen of DIY. Now, don't forget, you guys, make sure you're doing everything you can to constantly save your coins, especially in times like this, so you can take that money to the bank. Now, all right, you guys, now if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed, and always stay positive. Please don't forget to check us out on Sunday for another video coming on tomorrow with another sponsorship that I think you guys would love. So please make sure you do catch that. We'll see you guys on tomorrow.
Right.